Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to get AI manga filter on TikTok. The first thing to do is to launch your TikTok application. Go to the search bar and kindly type AI manga effect. And then after typing this one, the TikTok effect will appear. Once it appears, all you have to do is to click and it will take you directly to this. Now, as you can see, this button here, all you have to do is to click this one in order for you to use this effect. Once you're here, click Use this effect. And let's just say, for example, I click this video camera icon. So let's try. All you have to do is to point the camera on your face in order for you to use this effect. Now you can use the original sound or you can choose other sound for your AI manga filter video. Click check to add. Now once done, you are now ready to post your video with an AI manga filter effect. As easy as that. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.